My name is Michael Lime, and I have a little question for you, Professor. Just what exactly do you think that you're doing in my mirror? Well, I would like to ask you the very same question. Just exactly what do you think that you are doing in my mirror? This is not your mirror. This is my mirror. No, this is my mirror. Evidently, you are looking into a mirror that is peering into my mirror, and I am looking into a mirror that is peering into your mirror. Which begs a very important question. How on earth am I supposed to finish my morning shave? Hi, Professor. I hate to, I hate to point this out, but I think you missed a spot shaving this morning. Thank you, James, for pointing that out. Anyway, Professor, I was thinking, I've been getting some, comments on the YouTube. Some of the other team members are kind of wondering, when we're going to go. Yeah, I've been reading some of those comments. Some of those comments, I hate to use the word mutinous, but some of those comments border on being rather mutinous. Especially, I took a great interest in a comment that Omelette Dago put on. He was suggesting that, I'm sure it was only a jest, of course, but he was suggesting that you and him take over the Quantum 2 device. And my question, if he was, I'm sure he was jesting. It was just a joke, very funny joke. But my question to you and Mr. Daggle, do you know which buttons to push on the Quantum 2 device, and then what sequence they need to be pushed? Well, no, I don't. But I assure you, I have no intention of, getting involved in any kind of mutiny, Professor. As you said, I'm sure Omelette doesn't mean it either. I'm sure he was just joking. Yeah, it's a funny man, Omelette. Yeah, it's a very funny. Gee, I hope I don't accidentally push some of the wrong buttons, because that would be really bad, especially for people sitting in the front row of the Quantum 2 device. That could be very bad. By the way, James, I would like to go over the seating arrangement, especially the front row on the Quantum 2 device. Yeah? All right. Oh, before we go on to that topic, Georgie, can I ask you a question? Yeah, sure, Professor. Go right ahead. Have I trained you how to push the correct buttons in the proper sequence on the Quantum 2 device yet? No, Professor, you haven't trained me how to do that yet. Oh, darn, I must have forgot. Oh, well, one of these days I'm going to have to show you what buttons you need to push on the Quantum 2 device and in the right sequence. Otherwise, things could go very badly. Remind me to do that, okay, Georgie? Yeah, certainly, Professor. I will do so. Well, now let's go over the seating arrangement. I'm especially interested in the front row of the Quantum device when we all go together. Are you going with us, Professor? Maybe I will go with you. Lucky 13.